My name is Kenny. I just built Yoshimura 125cc kit from Japan. So actually this bike is a Honda NSR. NSR 100. So basically engine is XR 100. Okay. This is Kuni TMR MGM 24mm. Actually we're using right now. Also available this is 24mm, also 26mm and 28mm. Maybe soon available 32mm. So you can choose any. Then also available. This is the body. Then you can choose funnel and also BMC air filter. You can choose. Actually, this bike NSF 100 is a stock. About horsepower is 6 to 7 or 8 horsepower. Then we are using Yoshimura cylinder, Yoshimura piston, Yoshimura cylinder head, and camshaft and carburetor. Horsepower is up to more than double. This is special Yoshimura cylinder head. Some feature, especially the bigger valve and this is spark plug, so compared to stock, smaller spark plug we are using. That means around the spark plug area, the more material reduce heat travel. So that's feature. Then I think this is around the camshaft area is special machining. Okay. Also, this is a special Yoshimura crankshaft. A special design for quicker response and motor. This is the Yoshimura special aluminum cylinder. It has oil cooler outlet here. Then you can use oil cooler just direct from cylinder. So you don't worry about heat problem. This Yoshimura engine kit has more power than compared to stock, so I think you need to worry about clutch kit. So we have clutch kit, clutch springs and clutch plate. So you can buy from this set from Yoshimura also. You can enjoy on the track or dirt, anywhere. So you can feel Yoshimura power.